For many explorers, being cut off from the world is a major worry when embarking on their travels. But with portable solar power, adventurers can stay connected while embracing an eco-friendly way to experience different cultures and environments. This article dives into how this innovative solution is revolutionizing travel, so grab your charger and join us as we explore just what portable solar has to offer all those who are forever curious about our planet. The need for portable solar. Climate change is an ever-growing problem, one that many are tackling with the use of clean energy solutions. In particular, the travel industry has a huge opportunity to abandon fossil fuels and move towards more sustainable alternatives like portable solar power, giving travelers freedom while reducing their carbon footprint in the process. Travelers who explore beyond the beaten path require a different type of planning to stay connected, one which often involves portable solar panels and generators. This is especially true for outdoor enthusiasts, whose digital maps, GPS navigation systems, and electronic devices are essential safety tools they need access to in order to reach their destinations safely. However, due to limited power sources in remote areas or national parks camping sites, these travelers must look elsewhere when seeking an energy source. Camping with portable solar. Going on a camping adventure? Make sure you're never without power with portable solar. These panels provide an easy, reliable source of energy to charge your devices and small appliances like lights, fans, and even stoves. Enjoy being off the grid while still having all the modern-day amenities. Now that's life outdoors at its best. A reliable source of renewable energy, the Goal Zero Yeti 500X portable power station. It's a surefire way to keep your devices powered up and running. With 505 watt-hours capacity, it can charge smartphones over 40 times, laptops 7x and cameras 70x on one full charge. Plus all those ports, AC, USB and DC mean this generator works with an array of electronic gadgets for maximum convenience. Van life and RVs with portable solar. For avid travelers living the van life, solar power can elevate their journey to a whole new level. Utilizing renewable energy sources such as photovoltaic cells, they're able to charge essential devices while reducing noise and emission pollution, all without breaking the bank. Some even make use of complete systems on their vehicle that enable them stay off-grid for extended periods during their exploration. For van lifers and RV owners looking to power their travels with renewable energy, the Renogy 200-watt 12-volt monocrystalline solar starter kit is a great option. This complete setup features two 100-watt solar panels constructed for maximum durability against inclement weather conditions, plus a 30A PWM Wanderer charge controller, all conveniently packaged together with essential mounting hardware. Get ready to explore off-grid adventures in clean style. Boating and sailing with portable solar. Let the sun power your adventures on open waters. With portable solar solutions, you don't have to worry about running out of juice. Just install panels on your vessel and keep all those essential electronics such as navigation systems or communication devices charged. Take advantage of this sustainable alternative for an uninterrupted maritime experience. For example, you can keep your boat running at full capacity with the Sunforce 50,000 22.5-watt solar battery trickle charger. This compact and efficient device is designed to withstand any kind of weather and can be easily installed, complete with all necessary cables for connection. Its 5-watt power ensures that even when it's not in use, this charger will keep your 12 volts battery always charged up and ready to go. Benefits of portable solar for travelers. Portable solar power for travel is the perfect way to stay connected and equipped with energy in remote locations. Ditch traditional grid electricity during your next outdoor adventure, not only helping preserve nature's beauty but also allowing you to go further off the grid than ever before. All while keeping yourself safe and powered up along the journey. Portable solar power is the perfect option for campsites and other public areas, as it provides a quiet energy source without causing an eyesore. Additionally, investing in a solar-powered generator can save you money over time. No need to worry about refueling or costly repairs. Portable solar power offers an incredibly convenient solution for outdoor enthusiasts. No longer must they spend countless hours configuring and assembling their energy source. With portable solar, a few clicks and it's ready to rock. This means you can get out there quicker so that the only thing stopping your adventure is making sure the sun doesn't set.